you're an Amazon seller who just launched a product or is about to launch one, knowing which keywords to target is one of the most important steps to ranking, converting, and having a positive ROI on your PPC. But with all the data available, it's easy to get lost. In this video, I'll show you how Seller Sprite's reverse ASIN tool provides you with loads of data so you can focus on the key metrics that matter, helping you find the best keywords for your listing and PPC campaigns without getting overwhelmed. Right now, I've got Seller Sprite's reverse ASIN tool pulled up, and I'm gonna paste in an ASIN for a digital meat thermometer into the search bar. This tool pulls up all the keyword data for this product, showing us where it ranks organically, which keywords it's getting traffic from, and which ones are being used in PPC campaigns. Once I hit search, you can see we're flooded with data. If you don't know what to look for, this can get overwhelming fast. That's why we're gonna focus on 5 key metrics that actually help you rank and make sales. These 5 metrics are monthly search volume, purchase rate, click share, click concentration, and sponsored rank / PPC bid. By the way, if you want to try this tool out, use promo code EVOLVE to get a monthly plan for only $20 instead of $80. And you can get a basic yearly plan for only $200 instead of $400. Okay, jumping back into it. Before we apply filters, here's something important to know. If you try to assign filters for all 5 of these metrics at once, you'll usually end up with 0 results because the filters are too strict. Instead, here's what you need to do. First, we're going to filter for monthly searches and purchase rate to get rid of low traffic and low converting keywords. I'll set monthly searches to a minimum of 1,000 and purchase rate to a minimum of 5%, so we only see keywords that get a decent amount of traffic and actually convert into sales. If you want to get even more targeted, then make the monthly searches minimum be at least 2,000 or 3,000. Now we need to remove the low quality keywords that we would never want to target. We do this by clicking the trash can icon. Next, instead of applying more filters, we're going to sort by organic rank, click share, and click concentration. Sorting this way lets us see which keywords are driving traffic to top competitors and whether we have a real chance to rank for them. Organic rank tells us where this meat thermometer appears in search results. If the listing is ranking in the top 50 organically, that's a strong keyword to target. Click share tells us how much traffic a keyword is actually driving. If the ASIN is getting a large percentage of clicks on a keyword, it's worth testing in our PPC and listing. Click concentration tells us whether just 1, 2, or 3 products are getting all of the clicks. If a keyword has a click concentration of over 50%, it's dominated by a few sellers, which makes it harder to compete with. We want to find keywords with a click concentration under 30% because that means multiple products are actually getting the traffic and the clicks, and if we have a better shot at ranking for those. Sponsored rank and PPC bid tell us whether sellers are paying to rank for these keywords and how much it costs to run ads targeting them. If a keyword has a low PPC bid, under $1.50, and a high purchase rate, then it's a great opportunity to target those keywords because that means your ads may actually be profitable. If a keyword is expensive to bid on but doesn't convert well, then it's not worth targeting. Alright, so at this point we've refined the keyword list down to the ones that matter. Now let's start building our keyword list. There are 2 ways to save and organize these keywords inside Seller Sprite. You can export your full keyword list here by clicking the export button at the top right. This will download all the selected keywords along with their metrics so you can analyze them later. Or you can use the My List feature in the top left. Click on the keywords you want to save, add them to a new or existing folder, and keep track of them for your listing optimization and PPC campaigns. Once you have your final keyword list, the next step is knowing where to place them inside your listing. For organic ranking, aim to include 50 to 100 relevant keywords across different areas of your listing, from your title and bullet points to your A+ content and backend search terms. In your A+ content images, you can also put them as image alt keywords. For PPC, start with 50 to 100 keywords, testing and refining based on performance, and adjust for your budget. So that's it. By focusing on these 5 key metrics and using the right filters, you'll rank higher, run more profitable PPC campaigns, and avoid wasting money on weak keywords. To beef up your keyword strategy using Seller Sprite, check out the link in the description. Again, use promo code EVOLVE to get a monthly plan for only $20 instead of $80, or use the promo code to get a basic yearly plan for only $200 instead of $400. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.